Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Quick question. When was the last time you saw someone actually end a phone call with a satisfying "yeah, that sound"? It's so good, right? It's like the audio equivalent of a period at the end of a sentence. That feels like a trip down memory lane. The days of T9 texting, trying to find the perfect ringtone, and spending hours playing Snake. We all remember those phones. I know you do. Guess what? That nostalgic little clamshell is quietly making a comeback. And I'm not just talking about Gen Z on a retro kick or a celebrity wanting to go off the grid. I'm talking about people who live and breathe digital threats. Cybersecurity experts who are swapping out their super expensive high-tech smartphones for a flip phone. And in this video, we're going to get into the weeds of why. This isn't just a simple trend. It's a statement about our digital lives and our relationship with technology, so let's dig in. Yes, our smartphones are nothing short of miraculous. They're our cameras, our navigators, our mobile wallets, our social lives, and our constant stream of doom scrolling. It's like carrying around a tiny, all-powerful, ever-present computer in our pocket. We can do anything with them. But think about it from a cybersecurity expert's perspective. Their job is to see the dangers, to find the weaknesses, and to understand how criminals operate. And from that point of view, a smartphone isn't a miraculous convenience. It's a massive liability. It's a device that's constantly connected to the internet, tracking your location, listening with its microphone, and collecting data on everything you do. Every tap, every swipe, every app you download, it's all being monitored. It's a goldmine for criminals, full of rich, personal information. For a security professional, it's not just a convenience. It's a giant, flashing beacon that says, "Here I am. Here is all my data." And this brings us to a major shift in mindset. We've been taught to believe that more technology equals more security, but for many experts, they've realized the opposite is true. The more complex a device is, the more opportunities there are for something to go wrong. The more features it has, the more avenues a hacker can explore. It's like a house with 100 doors and windows. It doesn't matter how strong the front door is if a thief can just slip in through a cracked window in the back. So, the first reason for this move is what I like to call the digital unburdening. It's an intentional choice to use a device that does less, so it has fewer vulnerabilities. They're trading a high-risk, high-reward device for a low-risk, low-reward one. This leads us to the core of the matter. The minimalist security model of a flip phone. It's not better than a smartphone, it's simply safer by design. Let's break down exactly what that means. First, the most obvious thing, the lack of an app store. On a modern smartphone, every new app you download is a potential backdoor. Each one wants permission to your photos, your contacts, your location, and honestly, most of us just hit agree without even thinking. We're so used to it. But what if one of those apps has a hidden tracker? What if it's designed to steal your passwords? A flip phone simply doesn't have an app store. No app store. No rogue apps. No random permissions. It's a fortress with no windows. It completely eliminates the most common way hackers get into your phone. Second, let's talk about limited network connectivity. Your smartphone is constantly, automatically connecting to Wi-Fi networks, using Bluetooth to scan for devices, and communicating with cell towers in ways you're not even aware of. Every single one of these connections is a potential attack vector. A flip phone's connectivity is limited and straightforward. It's designed to make a call or send a text, and that's it. It has no Wi-Fi, no GPS, and very limited Bluetooth capabilities. Its security footprint is a fraction of a smartphone's. It's like a fortress with a single drawbridge that you control, rather than a bunch of little side doors that are always unlocked. And the best part is the data footprint. Your smartphone is a data collection machine. Every website you visit, every ad you click on, every location you share with an app, it's all being collected and used to build a comprehensive profile of you. This is the very same data that identity thieves and hackers want to get their hands on. Well, for a flip phone, there's no complex browser, no location services, and no tracking cookies. The data it creates is limited to calls and texts, and that's it. For a security expert, this is the ultimate form of digital privacy. It's a way to go off the grid without actually leaving the grid. It's pure brilliance. Here's the most interesting part, And what I think is the real secret behind this trend. It's not just about the device. It is the user. Think about the sheer number of distractions on a smartphone. A security pro can spend hours scrolling through social media or checking emails just like the rest of us. It's so easy to be pulled into a rabbit hole of notifications and alerts. This constant bombardment can lead to notification fatigue, where we become so accustomed to the pings that we stop paying attention to which ones are legitimate and which are a potential threat. A phishing text? We might just glance at it and dismiss it because we're so used to our phones constantly buzzing. A flip phone helps them regain focus. It forces them to be more intentional with their time and attention. They're not just protecting their data, they're protecting their focus and their mental clarity. This allows them to be sharper and more alert when they are actually using a computer or a tablet to do their work. It's a way to create a clear separation between their professional, secure online life and their personal, simplified offline life. So, while a flip phone might not be for everyone, trying to order a pizza with T9 is a challenge for the ages, believe me. Or actually, you don't have to believe, you should give it a try. The truth is, the most secure phone is the one you handle responsibly. It's not the device that matters, it's your awareness. So, what's the takeaway here? Should we all go out and buy a flip phone? Probably not. My entire career relies on a fast internet connection, and I need access to information at a moment's notice. But it's a powerful statement from the people who know security best. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more. It's a wake-up call to pay attention to our digital habits and to take control of the technology that so often controls us. The reality is, our smartphones are essential tools for modern life. The key isn't to get rid of them, it's to secure them. Now at Tileris, we're huge believers in the power of intention and a proactive approach to security. We know that you can't exactly go back to a flip phone for your whole life. You need a way to protect that data-rich smartphone we all rely on for work, for family, and for life. Our expertise is in using advanced AI to protect your digital world. We provide solutions that act as your ever-vigilant security team, without you having to constantly worry about every single threat or permission setting. We take the burden off of you. We invite you to request a free consultation. Our experts are ready to guide you and answer all your questions about how to protect yourself online. Or, if you'd rather see how the Tileris AI agent works in real time, go ahead and request a demo through our contact form. The link to both is right down in the description. What do you think? Could you ever give up your smartphone for a flip phone? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with a friend who's always glued to their phone, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on staying safe online. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.